So, to start the speech, I would like everybody to close their eyes. Imagine gliding across the Atlantic Ocean, indulging in the sea breeze, when suddenly you are swallowed whole by the Loch Ness Monster. This is one of the weird theories behind the disappearing ships and airplanes in the Bermuda Triangle. I have chosen this topic as it is very mysterious and it is also rightfully named the Devil's Triangle. There are several theories behind the Bermuda Triangle, and it has come to interest as it has swallowed about 1,000 airplanes and ships in the past 5 centuries. Even Christopher Columbus had his problems in this area. The theories behind the Bermuda Triangle are the methane theorem. In this, it states that there are huge craters under the Atlantic Ocean which release methane gases which create a vacuum around ships, and they eventually sink and crush the ships. And as methane is highly flammable, it goes into the air and many airships also are blown to pieces. The second theory is that the US government is actually stopping people from coming here. There are many theories from scholars that there are VLF resonance transmitters which stop radio communication and stop compasses from working in this area. And well, the more far-fetched theory is aliens. There are many people mysticizing that there are aliens in the Bermuda Triangle who take these airplanes and ships and reverse engineer them to understand more about Earth. And now the few events which have taken place in the Bermuda Triangle. Flight 19. On 5th December, on 2 p.m., the US Navy launched a practice mission from 5 torpedo bombers. They had been taking a 120-mile route when suddenly, during their return, all of their radio communication and compasses stopped working. The last that was heard was from the squadron commander to tell them to retreat. This is very weird, and there are many theories that try to explain this, but there's no solid one. The second event is the SSS Marine Sulphur Queen. This was the tanker which was transporting 15 tons of molten sulphur, and suddenly 2 days later after the transportation, the sink sank and suddenly a poisonous gas was released due to the sulphur, and all of the passengers died. The only evidence that people might be alive is a single life jacket floating 40 kilometers away from the wreck of the ship. These are the few events in the Bermuda Triangle. So I would like to say that be cautious while traveling in the Bermuda Triangle, or well, if you're brave enough, I want you to just go there and try to get a solid solution for this. Thank you.